Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to another C++ files tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you guys how to get started, and basically I'm going to be uh, writing, typing out the template to see if that library works. So to do that, just letting you guys know, that library is built into C++. You don't have to link it or anything else. So any IDE that you work with that does C++, that library is built into it. All right, so to include that library to basically do the file input and output and stuff like that, you basically press Shift 3. That's the hashtag sign. So it's Shift 3 on your keyboard, then type in include, and then you have this angular brackets. You just basically press Shift and the comma on your keyboard, and it's gonna automatically get you the opening angular bracket and the closing angular bracket right away. It's built into the IDE. It's a feature in IDE. And then you put fstream. You type out fstream. If you're having trouble with it and you don't know the spelling, you could just press Control space and then type in F and then stream. So we're going to be using the fstream class to do C++ file processing and stuff like that. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be doing an example of outputting files. And you don't need to understand these. Just follow along what I'm saying, and I'm going to explain it in the next tutorial. And then I'm going to be doing each tutorial on each of these things. So you type in upstream, and then you just put file, and it's the error. I think this is fine. File dot open, and then txt, and then put file kingtutrules exclamation point, and then in line, or actually let's just put the semicolon on it. And then file.close. Should work. I know I'm getting errors, so I'm trying to at least. Okay, so it's clearing everything out. And it finished with no errors and no warnings. So let's run this program. And oh, that's, hold on 1 second. Not what I want. Run configuration. Not what I want. That's a different search project. And Oh, let's just close this one. How do I close project? Okay, so all right, so let's nothing to build. All right, there you go. Sorry about that. I forgot to. So, good habit if you're working with multiple projects and you want to run one of the project, be sure to close one of the project. Let's run. And basically nothing happens. But you go in here and then you click on here, it opens up that text file and it outputs kingtut rules. So if you see that, and if you see that file, that means the library worked, there's no glitches, nothing. So basically your library is good to go. So I'll be explaining each part of the code, and I will do tutorials on pretty much each part of the code. um, so thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.